Hello my dear students. So today's topic is electric dipole and there are further subtopics also. Okay, so what is electric dipole? First we will understand. First its definition. It is pair of equal and opposite charges. It is pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Okay, pair of equal and opposite charges. Equal and opposite charges, for example, this is positive charge and this is negative charge. Opposite charges and both should be equal. So magnitude of this plus is Q and this negative charge is also Q. Okay, so magnitude of the charges is also equal and both are equal and opposite, and these two are joined plus separated by a small distance. A small distance, that small distance is taken as 2L. The distance between the dipole, between the charges, is taken as 2L. So this is standard distance between the two charges of the dipole, 2L, standard. Okay, if you want to take some other length like L or something else, you can take, no problem. But taking 2L is convenient for us for derivations and other purposes. So it is kept as standard also. Take 2L only. Okay, so this constitutes a dipole. So what is the definition? Electric dipole is pair of equal and opposite charges. Okay, pair of equal and opposite charges separated by some distance. Okay, so this is electric dipole. Fine. Now in the same topic we will see one subtopic called electric dipole moment. You note it down this. You can pause the video and you can note down. Now the next topic is electric dipole moment. Denoted by vector P. That means this is vector quantity. Okay, so it will have some direction also. I will tell the direction also. So first electric dipole. So we need to make an electric dipole. Now what is electric dipole moment? First we will see the formula, then we will make the definition. P is equals to 2L into Q. Means electric dipole moment is product of the magnitude of the charge and distance between the two charges. Please note it down. The electric dipole moment is product of magnitude of the charge, any one magnitude. Okay, don't take both, otherwise it will become Q square. So magnitude of the charge and distance between the two charges, or simply you can write into and it will be vector. Okay, cross. Fine. Now what will be the direction of this dipole moment? The direction of the dipole moment is from negative to positive. Remember this thing, negative to positive. Okay, when we see electric field, the direction of electric field is from positive to negative, but the dipole moment has direction from negative to positive. Remember this thing. Okay, fine. Now SI unit. SI unit for this is coulomb. For charge it is coulomb, for length it is meter. So coulomb meter. In some books you can also see dBA. DEBYA, dBA. But the most preferred unit is coulomb meter. When it comes to exam, you write coulomb meter. Okay, fine. Now the next topic, ideal dipole. What is ideal dipole? Ideal dipole is smallest dipole having almost no size. No size means the distance between the dipole is almost negligible or very small. Okay, now what is done here? Listen here, the Q is increased and the distance between the dipole is decreased. Keeping this product means the value of P constant. This product should be constant. The value of P should not change. Means इसको बढ़ाना है और इसका वैल्यू कम करना है. ऐसा बढ़ाना है, ऐसा कम करना है कि P की वैल्यू जो है चेंज नहीं होनी चाहिए. Then it forms an ideal dipole. Ideal means practically it does not exist. Listen here how. This Q will increase. Okay, Q gets increased and the distance between the dipole gets decreased. Okay, तो देखो what happens. ये बढ़ता जाएगा. This charges are going on increasing and the distance between the dipole is decreasing. So what will happen? These two charges are opposite in nature. They will try to repel each other. जैसे जैसे बढ़ाते जाएंगे और दोनों पास लाते जाएंगे. They will try to repel each other. Yes, forming a dipole with very small distance is practically not possible. वो भी चार्ज बढ़ाते हुए, चार्ज बढ़ाएंगे तो उतने ही ज़्यादा impulsive force लगेगा. Yes, so इसको बढ़ाएंगे और इसको कम करेंगे. तो ये practically dipole बनाना it is very difficult or we can say impossible. It is ideal dipole. So what is ideal dipole? Ideal dipole is the smallest dipole almost having no size, keeping star point keeping value of P constant. मतलब P की वैल्यू भी कांस्टेंट रखनी है, ऐसा बढ़ाना है, ऐसा कम करना है. Okay, so practically ideal things are not possible. Okay, this was the ideal dipole. Okay, thank you.